Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We all know that eating healthy is key to staying fit, but sometimes those so called healthy foods might be doing more harm than just the good, especially if you are trying to lose the extra weight. So, in today's video, we are talking about 6 popular healthy foods that might actually be making you gain those extra weight and fat. You might be surprised to see some of your favorites on this list. So let's dive right in. So first in our list is granola, which is high calorie bomb. It's often marketed as a healthy breakfast or snack option. It's packed with oats, nuts, dry fruit, maple syrup, honey, which sounds great, right? But what they don't tell us you is the most store-bought granola is loaded with extra sugar and fats. Just a small serving can be as high as 400 to 600 calories. And let's be honest, who sticks to just one serving? So here is an extra tip from me. If you love granola, try making your own at home with less sugar and healthier oils like coconut oil, which will be very beneficial for your body and your health. Next in our list is nut butters, which are high in fat, even the good kind, like peanut butter and almond butter. Yes, they are good source of healthy fats and protein, but they are also very calorie dense. One tablespoon can pack up to 100 calories, and it's easy to go overboard. If you are not mindful of how much you are consuming, that healthy snack could turn into a calorie overload. So here is an extra tip. Stick to the recommended serving size and look for nut butters with no added sugars or extra oils. Third in our list is sourdough bread, not as innocent as it seems. Sourdough bread is often thought of as a healthier alternative to white bread because it's easier to digest and has a lower glycemic index. But at the end of the day, it's still a bread, and it can be just as high in carbs and calories as regular bread. Plus, if you are pairing it with butter or jam, those extra calories can increase. So, here is an extra tip: enjoy sourdough in moderation and focus only on whole grains when you can. Fourth in our list is avocado, packed with nutrients and calories. Avocados are fantastic. They are full of healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins. But because they are so nutrient dense, they are also calorie dense. One avocado can contain up to 300 calories. And if you are adding guacamole to everything, those calories quickly stack up. So you can enjoy them in moderation and you can watch your portion size. Even a half avocado is enough. Fifth in our list is pesto. Pesto might seem like a healthy sauce because it's made from basil, nuts, and olive oil, but it's another food that can sneak in extra calories. A couple of spoonfuls can contain over 200 calories, mostly from fats. If you are adding pesto to your pasta or spreading it on your bread, you might be getting more than you bargained from. So, here is an extra tip: use pesto sparingly or make a lighter version at home by reducing the oils and nuts. Sixth in our list is chia seed pudding, healthy but deceptive. Chia seeds are known for being packed with omega 3, fiber, and protein, making them a go to in the health community. But when made into chia seed pudding, especially with added sweeteners or milk, it can easily become a high calorie treat. The calories from chia seeds and toppings like fruit or honey can add up quickly. So, if you are want to consume chia seed pudding, keep it simple. Use unsweetened almond milk and limit the amount of sweeteners and toppings you use. So that's it for today, guys. We have seen 6 so called healthy foods that might be causing you to gain weight without you even realizing it. Remember, healthy eating isn't just about the types of food you eat, but also how much you are consuming. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with friends who might need this info, and of course, subscribe to our channel for such eye opening health tips like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay mindful of your portions and stay healthy. I will see you in the next video.